Hi viewers to everybody. Good morning and also going good noon. I would like to say to all fellow viewers in YouTube, Merry Christmas for December 25, 2024. By the way, my name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next video is about Valenzuela City branches in Banco Filipino, if in case it will be open for the third time na hindi na papalpak. Yes, you heard it right. Valenzuela City. Sir Steve, sarada na Banco Filipino. Bakit mo na-mention na mag-open ng Banco Filipino for the third time just in case? Dahil I know na the whole truth at saka yung both sides, nakita ko na yung problem. Pero may solusyon. Yes, may solusyon. Gaya na sinabi ko sa aking past few videos, set aside muna ang kanilang financial feud. May alitan sila eh. Ito, kung masettle to, here are the possibilities na under sa Valenzuela City. Gaya na sinabi ko sa past few videos, meron siyang sakop ng Kamanaba area. Ito ay Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas, at Valenzuela. So very clear, VA means Valenzuela. Valenzuela City, Metro Manila. Ang sakop ng Valenzuela na may possibilities na magkaroon ng Banco Filipino for the third time dahil sa maraming factories and establishments are Barangay Marulas, Paso de Blas, Malinta, Karuhatan, yung going Bulacan, yon. At saka yung mga motorcycle, yung mga installments, yon. Pasok siya. At saka yung going Cainta, yung Caloocan, sorry. Caloocan City going Valenzuela, yon, konektado. Iba yung Malabon, tapos going Valenzuela, yon, iba pa rin yon. So, yan yung mga may possibilities na magkaroon ng Banco Filipino branches sa Valenzuela. Uulitin ko, Malinta, Marulas, Paso de Blas, Karuhatan, kasi ang dahilan Malinta at Paso de Blas kasi maraming factories. Kasi kung titingnan mo, 'di ba? Metrobank, BPI, Union Bank. I think ang Union Bank yata dalawa, Valenzuela. Tapos mahal pa maintaining balance. So 'yun ang dahilan. Kaya kung titingnan, matatag siya. At saka yung malapit sa public market. 'Yun ang purpose namin. Sari-sari stores, vendors, yan ang importante. Kaya itong video na tayo, napaka-importante ang Valenzuela City. Kaya yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo dati sa aking video na kukumpletohin natin ang lahat ng parts sa Metro Manila. So, hindi lang Quezon City. Valenzuela is very important. Remember, yan ang daanan ng Bulacan kung hindi dadaan ng Valenzuela City. Okay? So, by the way, don't forget to click subscribe and of course click the notification bell for my next Banco Filipino related videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning, and again, Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you and God bless.